Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone and the built-in Voice Memos app to record audio on the go. Voice Memos is a default app that is installed on every iPhone. You can use it to record quick ideas that you don't want to forget, or use it to record meetings for future use. To get started, open or search for Voice Memos. If you're not sure where it's found, just pull down on any app icon and then search for it this way. Once Voice Memos is open, you'll be taken to the main recordings page. The app is pretty straightforward from here. To start a new recording, just tap the record button on the bottom. To pause the recording, just tap on the name and then a more detailed page will appear. Tap the pause button to pause. If you want to go back and replace a recording, you can scroll backwards to where you want to start over and then hit replace. If you just want to resume recording, just scroll to the end and then hit resume. When you're finished with your recording, hit the pause button again and then done on the bottom right. It will then save your recording and then list it here. If you need to edit or crop the recording, just tap the three dots on the top right and then select Edit Recording. Next, tap the crop icon on the top right and then you'll get the trim markers. Move the beginning and end points to where you'd like, and when you're ready, hit trim. It will then remove the parts that you've left unselected. You can also use the delete option, again by using the markers to select the piece of the recording that you want to remove, and then hitting delete. It will then remove just the part that you've selected. When you're finished, hit save on the top right. You have a few more options if you want to edit the recording even more. By tapping the slider icon here, you can change the playback speed, skip silent parts, or auto-enhance the recording. Hit done on the bottom right to go back to the main screen. You can also share the recording with someone by tapping the three dots again and choosing Share. Once on that menu, you can then share the file to others just like any other file on your iPhone through things like text message and email. And finally, to delete a voice memo, just tap the trash can or swipe to the left on the recording and then tap delete. And that's how you record voice memos on an iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.